Welcome to Cars Info, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. In today's episode, we're diving into the future of electric vehicles with the highly anticipated 2025 Tesla Model Y. Let's explore what makes this crossover SUV a game-changer in the world of electric cars. The 2025 Tesla Model Y retains Tesla's signature sleek and modern design language. With its aerodynamic profile and minimalist aesthetic, it continues to set the standard for electric vehicle styling. Up front, you'll notice the distinctive Tesla grille-less fascia, complemented by LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and efficiency. Step inside the 2025 Model Y, and you're greeted by a spacious and futuristic cabin. Tesla's commitment to minimalism is evident with a clean dashboard dominated by a large touchscreen display that controls nearly all vehicle functions. The interior materials are premium, with options for sustainable materials like synthetic leather and recycled plastics, aligning with Tesla's eco-friendly ethos. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the 2025 Model Y features Tesla's advanced electric drivetrain. Depending on the variant, you can expect impressive acceleration and handling thanks to its low center of gravity and instant torque delivery. The Model Y offers a range that competes with traditional gas-powered vehicles, making it suitable for both daily commutes and long road trips without the range anxiety often associated with electric cars. Tesla continues to lead the way in autonomous driving technology. The 2025 Model Y comes equipped with the latest version of Tesla's autopilot system, capable of navigating highways and city streets with minimal driver input. Enhanced safety features include collision avoidance, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, all working together to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Charging the 2025 Model Y is convenient and fast thanks to Tesla's extensive supercharger network. With rapid charging capabilities, you can add significant range in just a short stop. Tesla also supports home charging solutions, including the option to install a Tesla wall connector for convenient overnight charging. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Model Y represents the future of electric mobility, with its blend of cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and sustainability. Whether you're drawn to its sleek design, advanced features, or eco-friendly credentials, the Model Y continues to push boundaries in the automotive industry. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest in automotive innovation right here on your YouTube channel name. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.